So good morning, everyone. This is Carlos Uraga, CEO of Nantek, and I'm here to talk today about the collaboration between Nantek, Sustainable Solutions, a startup here from the Basque Country, and Sener, the company that we already know here from the Basque Country as well. So the problem that Nantek is tackling is very simple and very well known, is the plastic waste. Only in 2018, 360 million tons of plastic waste were generated, and only the 16% out of those were recycled. The rest is going to landfills, incineration plants, or is just dramatically unmanaged. So this is the principal problem that we're tackling today. And how do we do that? So Nantek is focused on transforming this plastic waste into usable assets. It's quite simple. We take this plastic and we transform it into usable assets by the process that I'm showing in this slide, which is mainly that we have developed a technology, which is a reactor and reactive agents designed and developed in-house, which together with the plastic waste, we put everything into the reactor, and we obtain through the pyrolysis process these performing products that usually are fuels, petrochemical products, and overall products for blending process into the refineries located worldwide, so that we are turning plastic waste into fuels. This is what we are doing. In terms of our competitive advantage or our differential value, we have developed a technology and the reactive agents in order to increase the yield of the process itself. So in a nutshell, what we are doing is obtaining more product with the same amount of plastic introduced, which means that we can make the process way more cost effective, and we can increase the quality and the yields of the products that we obtain. Together with Sener, what we are planning is to build this first operational plant. So Sener has the expertise of several years implementing plants such as this one worldwide. They are the engineering firm which is developing this kind of plants for energy generation in many countries. And Nantek has the differential value and the potential or the disruptive technology to turn this plastic waste into fuel. So what we want to do together with Sener is build these plants to transform as much plastic waste as possible into fuels, not only in the Basque Country, but worldwide. And an average plant would look like this in terms of financials or numbers. So a plant designed to operate and transform 20,000 tons of plastic per year would include 13 reactors, which transforming 4.4 tons per reactor per day would achieve this transformation. And the average selling price of the product generated, the fuels generated, is 430 euros per ton right now in June 2020. So an overall view of the plant would look like this. This plant will be generating 8 million in revenues while we keep an EBITDA of 30%. And this is what we want to scale up in different plants and in many different amounts of transformation. So this way, what we were doing, we would be closing the loop of the plastic use itself. So from the raw material generation to the processing and product use, transformed into recycling or plastic waste. Well, we would take this plastic waste and avoid it to go to landfills or incineration plants, turning it back into raw materials so that can go back to the industry. And this is how we want to solve the plastic waste problem. Thank you very much.
We are proud of working in technological projects, and we are also proud of trying to contribute to reduce the problem of waste and plastic in the world with this technology and with our knowledge. For that reason, we also look for technological partners like Nantek who can help us to achieve these targets with new ideas, new solutions, and new approaches. We have already collaborated with Nantek in some tests in the laboratory, and we trust on going deeper in this collaboration, scaling up the technology and applying it in a commercial scale plant in the next future.